Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to make Challan details entry in Saral TDS. Firstly, make sure that you have all the details entered in the deduction master. Deduction master details entry video is available on our channel. Select the required form and the quarter for which the Challan details entry has to be made. The Challan details window for the particular form and quarter will be displayed. Challan can be created and linked to the relevant deduction in two ways. The first method is from deductions, wherein the Challan will be created by taking the required details from the deduction details with parallel payment of the Challan. In this process, the Challan and the deductions will be auto-linked. Click on From Deduction and the deductions which are not linked to any Challan will be displayed. Here you can filter the deduction details by name, section, quarter, date or type. Select the required deductions and click on Create. The Challan amount to be paid will be auto-filled. Now select the nature and type of the payment from the drop-down. To do the payment, click on E-Payment. This will route you to NSDL payment page. Here, select the mode of payment and continue to payment. On successful payment, note the CIN details and fill the same in the Challan details screen. Now save the Challan. You can see that as the Challan information is taken from deduction, the Challan will be auto-linked to these deductions. The second method is where the Challan is already paid and now the details have to be entered in the software. For the second method, start by making a new Challan. First, enter all the required Challan details as per the payment counterfoil and then save. Once all the details are saved, click on Link Deductions. The list of deduction details that are not linked by any Challan will be displayed here. Select the deductions to be linked to the Challan. Keep in mind that amount in Challan should be always greater than or equal to the amount being linked. If not, you will receive a short payment default notice. Now click on Link and the deductions will be linked to the particular Challan. This completes the process of linking selected deductions to respective Challan. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.